Guthukangia uria urahanikire mukawa wa Fairways mwena wa Githumo thutha wa nyanake itaramenyeka kutharikira. Macio mothe makioyo ni video ya CCTV mathaini ma thaa 11 cia kiroko, haria mundu umwe uretuite muguri aratongoririe nyanake irethaite na matharaita kuingirira kihingo kinene thutha wa kuoha murangiri.
I fired in the air. The hotel had a lot of guests and we did not know what these criminals will do because they were carrying all manner of crude weapons. At that point they dispersed.
Nyakera aragwetania ngero ino no teti kumana na murugamo wake gukorwo ari wa mung'ethaniro ndeto-ini iria iracora mbica njuru ya wanangiki uria Nyakera arekwa uhuhiritwo ni urugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa Lake Basin Development Authority. Ndeto iria ruhonge ruru ireganite nayo rukiuga Nyakera ni arari na thiri wa marihi ma nyumba. Rugete mukawa ucio ukoretwo nyumba-ini iyo mugaru na watho, makiuga ni marahetwo notithi ya guthama tariki 12 ni undu wa thiri wa ciringi mirioni 25 ari marihi ma nyumba. No mukawa wa Fairways ni wathire igoti-ini na kurugamia matikarutururwo tariki 25 wa iri, watho uria wacokire kweherio ni tribunal tariki 9 wetatu. Nyakera ugite ni akoretwo akiriha thiri ucio, no kwina mutongoria wi thirikari-ini urabanga njama ya kumuruturura akienda kuoya mukawa ucio.
There is absolutely nothing that anybody can use outside the law to access the property. If the law comes in and says, Nyakera, you can leave the property, I will leave it because I'm a law-abiding citizen. If somebody else wants the property outside the court, let them come and see me. Let them bring me an offer. Tell me you have invested 235 million shillings. We want to pay you 235 plus Y.
Maofitha borithi ni marethana na nyanake iria iratharikire mukawa ucio makienda kwenjera nuyu uramatumite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jenga wa Wambui.